Welcome to Elimination Creek Country Club. I believe you know your way around, Dak.
Just give me a drink.
This sucks.
We are very depressed. The club is nice. I'm getting almost as much rest as I did in the wildcard game.
Yeah, now all the charities know I have free time.
Fudge the off-season. I want freaking football.
Can I just run it?
Hey, maybe I...
Sorry, sir. Starters only at the club.
I'm a lead. I'll be one of Washington's 5 starting quarterbacks next year.
Not again.
Got this. Never choke. Believe in yourself. All right. Well, great season, everyone. See you next year. Much love.
By the way, man, I'm totally cool with outbursts.
So now that my fourth OC is left, I have to wonder, am I the problem?
Cannonball.
Tough elimination, man.
That's okay.
This time last year I was legally dead. LOL.
Bring it on! Oh no! My power zone! I'm transforming back to regular season egg!
So the trick is to just have your family yell at the owners. Ow, Daddy!
Must be the players on the playoff course across the street.
You throw it back, it's only like 400 yards!
Why are you having fun? This is a game.
Hello, you If you're feeling dangerous, subscribe to this channel to watch more episodes. Woo, I'm so hyped for this. Haters gonna hate.